my any do jita makronim komona. Lawyer, good evening.
Good evening, Okijaba.
I've come to here. I've been saying na any other year.
I'm afraid when you see a worker almost say akoko encompass.
Akoko come to here. Okay. But lawyer, ma young go straight to the point because your time no. But I need your course or court no. Boy, I can give us the background. On what basis na mo call here for Supreme Court and Supreme Court
yeah. Minya Gary, FLA, the friend Mandam in respect of 5 constituencies. 6. If you apply to a bed journey, judge now my coin, and will make orders. At the time, I will make some orders. Not 5 of those constituencies, me I declare results. If you can't say judge, it's important, so in one pencil. If you know the idea of any social right, so fundamental principle of law, and also we should be heard. And to the extent that we've not been heard, on quite should be a course now. In any dream. So the echo by and say 6 mandamus application, now Obuasi is a count. It is immediately now. Just make it a order manner issue quickly or go ahead or declare Obuasi. And we are men come and damn majority.
I understand, Mr. Asapa.
If you are outstanding, any half and north, south, west. You say no. 5 of those, 4 of those constituencies media. Supreme Court acquired declaration.
Matuas. Inti manu musa say Obuasi is ne ahafano southwest diano. Are you going back to are you more come back to high court? I'm a high court here now say so now the Supreme Court. Oh, I see. But lawyer Mbacho sir by 4 constituencies here can once me. What is the status of the second one now? Is see yanwa commission recommendation.
It has been passed.
So by that, does that imply the first declaration as we speak?
That is one stance.
It's in May say you can't MP select for those constituencies. NDC candidates in room and MP select for
that. That's the only declaration that we know now.
But Obia raised issue about gazetting. Are you aware, sir, Electoral Commissioner gazette the results for all these constituencies?
Everything founded on it collapsing. How much more a gazette?
Oh,
that is the root of the gazette notification in respect of those groups. And yet the order now. So if the order is void, what can stand on it? You can't put something on nothing except it stand.
Okay.
Electoral Commission has seen everything.
I see.
So
but one thing last Lanka do you foresee say more seeking for an injunction? Okay, I see. That's it. Thank you very much. I see.
The John, you set some record straight. Unim, you follow the due processes. Elections are won at the police station. Okay, so let's assume say in Shayeso, your police station is being 100. Will Shayeso. Ena yabubo yatu abenewie. Police station A number 1. You declare or no returning officer no. Any other friend say party agent for ni na no. Ajatum say eno no omowie. The various levels and I said the various pay sheets now more quality the various police stations no. I don't yakika ni na boom. They declare the constituency result and amboa.
Yeah.
Yes, I did. The question is police station 1 results. Omujindi and aso munjindi. Do they believe Electoral Commission? Do they believe in their own returning officers? Because the district returning officer no, omum and they declare result no, and declare Obi as a winner, not themselves. And you one can say they declare more as a winner. And your returning officers now, omodi 2 media show was at say Jamesa. or no na kwako declare result no nye ba no bi o nti say you dem say presidential result no genuine say nye ba no bi o nti say in the case of say ba no bi o ne be declare the presidential result now we know say nye valid. What you say? But say James and they declare they say valid.
As a presidential.
Exactly. So parliamentary no say ekobasa at the police station level say any other EC official apart from the returning officer they declare results now invalid. But say a returning officer at the police station level then it is valid. With all the and before somebody declare that result at the police station agents ni na etiase sign who say yes will be to say results now, but I don't know. One question: why is the EC trying to be so ridiculous? I don't know. EC no person or more cause a lot of confusion in our country. I don't know. You know, in fact, we kete cry. Ye na ye nim. Okay, na constituencies.
But in this situation, EC no dear, not in the baby.
Until the baby.
Meba. In this situation,
yes.
6 MPs and a candidate.
It is because of the earlier confusion EC created. Yeah. Because a returning officer who did 2 mediation is I declare results that catch us say assume see A candidate A win election. Also by us 1/10 nti yenko na yekoye recollection. Yekoye recollection na 1/10 the earlier results ama na kwakoye the second person nti when yes ade no. EC their core duty is to conduct an election. Anything that has to do with election has to do with the Electoral Commission. And they say EC you may be say contrary to the Conduct of Elections Act, then it becomes a different thing. But now the reason why all this thing is happening and need an answer, John. EC officials no. Omo can declare the result first one. Where are they? Did they add?
For Osha Obuasi East. Obasi is saying they will declare no on one exactly no on the cocoa declare so first one or declare first one or he declared under
duress. It doesn't make sense.
Under duress.
It doesn't make sense. Yes,
or making under duress.
Yes, it is okay. So making no under duress.
Yeah,
under duress. Pressure the wall so now they declare. NDC and so for natural who say oh where the candidates na winning. Yeah, and now they are calling one answer babeka kire yen say you can't win but for win then you are trying to cause chaos in the system.
Enti me request ni lawyer Edojita Maklo na nanka was say nya person extended day but no as why very busy was sneaky no need in commentina questions bi ho an but this is my request. Me request ni say Ralph transfer me na me request ni na say Ebasinkum omama the 31st day no omo apply for no for injunction for some of us to observe the proceedings by TV so no you see what the issue in there Supreme Court no I want us to have the same experience on 31st
like
what do you
telecast.
Oh yes,
oh you see
they should do that application. And I wish Supreme Court the Chief Justice will grant say nanka live ni
yeah with your course
but only as a start now with the quick one as a start now per the level of maturity Supreme Court judges are employed to this case no judge be kwakotena so bia no judge be kwakotena sa issue bia e say mo wadwum da ho and nothing I'm not me can say no mo kan enye but what I'm trying to say is say I'm predicting that nothing will change.
Nothing will change as in
the previous election, the first ever results and I said declaration of Moye no that will hold.
That one will hold based on no but that will be based on you see ubetimenya good case but when to men defend here you lose the case.
But you see
depending on how NDC legal team will be able to gather almost facts and produce them at the court.
My simple challenge any arguments ni na say why the declaration the first one is it not the EC official the returning officer
so here so you go to court and defend
why you had duress.
Your duress, you have to produce evidence,
and that is the reason why
those things they have said it to. Those things they said.
No.
When NDC didn't.
Oh no, speak to them.
See, those things. It's not like they have raised those issues. Those issues have already been raised
by the chairperson.
Yes, those issues have already been raised. And if you read almost statement that EC they buy out, which for me premised their court or which was because already now what they were going to say in the court was already in the public domain based on the EC's position on how their officers suffered during the process. So my thinking is that even though and Jenny saying that or Jenny said there anything will change, but that is also premised on how NDC now getting the opportunity to go and make a case. Okay, so now we go and say, Charlie, this is the point. Declaration was made.
He's making all the necessary provisions. Say if I'm to Aba, say you see how the Moses won't be a microphone now, my young. So the moment I be a microphone, then you are telling us to say we are free to what talk. But don't me catch me say, oh, under pressure, be a microphone to teach and what be.
Okay.
What I say. All right. So what the EC is trying to tell me, and they say they did not have any security, they did not have anything to guide and protect them along the line. Now you're providing security the amount, you're providing all the necessary powers at the amount. Say, then you come back to tell me. So what is your definition of being under duress?
Under duress, okay.
What is the EC's definition of being under duress? And those ones under duress do not win election.
Anyway, but you see, another wish, and it's okay. I know the court to crack kind. Say omu call a MPs call under X party. Now omu yen motion. We are motion. The EC has to be part of the process at the court.
Absolutely.
So that commission will also produce duress.
Yes.
A declaration. No, are you nipa na video no no? Electoral Commission. Nipa. Unipa ne jire mu no.
Exactly the point.
The already know. Obi na kase na no. Unim no. Nti moving from X party to motion now. Party si na bit ma join it.
Share.
Me wo amade na e kama pa.
Sir John, and Evans. Share me na be suro kese pa ye Techiman South. Because last 4 years, ni see what Techiman South. Say nyanyame and the Juju boys akoma e wo Techiman South wo no a. Na we were going to see almost the same thing again this year. Mind you, say it was related to election, an election related situation. And I for question one I feel I think about 6 of them. And yet touch myself, but across the country, about 6 Kofonsia and the free. I friend saying Kaswa.
Yeah. I South.
It's just imagine you're going to 2 different elections and then another Danko Kufuado under Jane Mensah, and we are counting about more than 10 people dying, and it is a joke.
Anyway,
you see, Subane Adiopeso Yeni Nan say, as at this time and as at this moment, say you see now, I want to miss or conduct elections, no declare elections, I will any party elections, Rako Kasebia, mene, your friend say, if as ne contesting, say, Joe, you are free to declare the election, the result without even the EC's knowledge, and that will be accepted. That one it is accepted. But where your elections are, every single vote and every single stakeholder are involved. It is a what declare someone declare, and then come the course someone call kind of for there. Now cannot it make sense? But you go and declare a Rob Norbin. Say Rob Norbin what we need. I'm an call for now who say yes, they have value for their votes. They have really done a good job about me you or more candidates diaba. Then the next moment the same person comes back to tell us to say a Rabbi say you can win here now. Yeah, can't say na as a pressure BC so what are you talking about?
Enti Evans mame Evans mame ntie na
don't say ya can if ya ha.
Yeah.
Time with that number say Electoral Commission win has been the worst EC since the Fourth Republic. EC we paid consistently 2020 elections and 7 you declare result by 3-4 times. 2024 say parliamentary crano sorry I say I hear something which is there. It has been the worst Electoral Commission.
Yeah.
Say enye nyame NFF and His Excellency the Vice President. But I'll say there be on one kasa any collation any nyama like ni way or one per ni figures or one.
Yeah.
Wedding kuku into what jet to one. Say John Kasam in Kagana.
I think that
so the Electoral Commission has been very, very abysmal.
Yeah.
Almost performance.
And it started throughout from the process.
Yes.
Yeah, all those process by the Electoral Commission has indicated said they wanted violence in our country, and that is extremely wrong. Look, nyema mo ye no to say na Eva second e fa kwa mo kete kra yes bia nim no wo dia no say election is not an event o a process. In this process ni na say one due diligence one for more. Look at the levels of allegations are the NDC and other political parties were leveling against the Electoral Commission. Okay. Yet omo bubu nu de go omo aso, and look at where we are now.
Simple
parliamentary result
has become an issue.
You don't need a percentage.
Look at this.
Simple majority.
You
can't abandon polling station. You can't polling station. No.
Hey.
As soon as you're maintaining a dim kunim, you are polling stations. Ni money na you can't boom at the coalition center. Your district. You can't boom. Obia kutale pay sheet. You can't we no when the dim kunim possibly.
And also police station upon police station. No.
A friend said. Afarijan type yantis will be say or under duress it went in the crowd.
They were using Afarijan through east.
Charlotte said time yantis will be cast or under duress it yantimi and kayaba James under duress.
You see, they were using through east. And
you have the police. Look, Sir John.
It's only the point. Call the military.
Why don't you say something to me in the crowd?
Constituency Bena presiding returning officer and say aka outstanding pink sheets and for that
yes, and there was an earlier there was something like that,
but say outstanding now.
But you see that constituency some of the court be some kwakoye recount is no mo be mesre because on the day of declaration center hono no the NDC Electoral I don't know, I mean they didn't me money
kotoko.
No, ye kotoko. Obano or a lady. Domiko Benyadian. And Makoko Junior. They were all there present. And I used to look on and sa Obana and Sakacha and say, "What the wedding could do?" Abana, you are on Makoko Junior, Ewonomo. So, what you say? What Jatum? Ya can't be BIV. What sign? What's it? The after the day. It's yes, I'm Franco Court. Hey, no, but say you see way or a mambo. Say ya hwe ya ena Evans Dikaka no say presidential results no ho say na Akufo Addo wo hye say nanka ba omi atwimu kakra na ko ni ba 3 days bi na ko ontwem o manso kakra no say nanka o yesa na kasese me no kase nanka tokwasi e various places because the parliamentary result will correspond with the presidential result and no one hwe abaka say even though there is some
Electoral Akurugu.
Yes, Akurugu. Yeah. That lady it is nanka baby to say a friend say asokwa dance asokwa
Jonathan Jonathan's watch out.
Oh,
Jonathan for us watch out.
Me
change money and also watch out.
Yes, on the same producer at large. Why is a kid for yata? You see?
Yeah.
Baby to say dance asokwa. Imagine say gabo no na emu ntwe like what was going to happen at dance asokwa. Baby na ye strong NPP strongholds. Ah mo kokoto abana NPP di ntwe wo hono mo no. Se koba se nanka just 19 20 30 friend say ballot bi na nanka omude winia nanka imagine what was going to happen there nanka tia say nyadwuma especially when the presidential result also lose otherwise.
Okay,
this time around this way yabreno look election results are taking more than 3 weeks, parliamentary results are taking more than 3 weeks. And even the funny thing is that
before you move, I have enough there. Now both presidential and parliamentary. Do you account? The presidential account.
About the account to not make any influence.
No, but before you get over Gazette, also we need the actual figures.
About me a year frame. No, the Gazette say a bit challenge the earlier results. That one. But say any substance also there, they will just have to forgo it because easy. Or can I say there earlier results be enyamai but omo dini na kraka ho kra no mo de ma Dr. Baumia
and ya de be in 2020.
Yes, but that woman is not
consistent. When Aidia no Techiman South.
Yes,
the anona issue say ho
that woman is not consistent. So not the point that person making say finally on this, look, say you're going to this election, you're going to 3 weeks almost 3 weeks to mean declare parliamentary results. MSCC ano akwa kujina court, no problem. se court no can otherwise say bia wo a yedi ka declare ma won wo kra no na won deserve say win ni yedi amani pa fofora always bet me as India court
stay of execution.
yes na fe na di musa na kwa ko do supreme court you say to me na adwuma yi simple result parliamentary result a simple majority you see
right
abubu nu egu na so e na all the bidding of onu akasa ni paymasters
mama em fancy na ye interesting times ahead yami adomo Tuesday and high court ebetna case ni so na ya hwe say omobit but me I always say bit me opportunity na because once a video say
how many judges just about
so
mostly they don't show that.
So cross examination be near
but
be able to have
okay,
that,
if say to me Dragia could do on the 3rd or on the 4th of January that's what we how do you swear
there will be an injunction la
you see so it is so funny
MPP will file for an injunction because the matter is pending in court.
It is so funny
They will file.
and you see the position
They will
of
file MPP will file
position
for
of the court no so na say no Sir John eya bibie wo ho say nye say bia NDC and na wini power nanka I am tempted to believe that the results nanka the as a result nanka
Obiso say senka Chief Justice Transubia nka but nka no de ye de be kan sa na e